In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change terminal background color in VS Code. We're keeping this simple and reliable using VS Code's built-in settings file so your change applies consistently. Start by opening the command palette, which is the quick search window for commands. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P. On macOS, press Command plus Shift plus P. You'll see a search bar at the top of the editor where you can type commands. In that search bar, type Preferences, Open User Settings, JSON, then select it. This opens your user-level settings, JSON file, which is just a plain text file where VS Code stores your settings. Anything you add here will apply to all of your projects in this VS Code installation. Inside this file, you'll see a pair of curly braces that mark the start and end of the JSON object. You're going to add a property called workbench.colorcustomizations inside those braces. If there are already other settings in the file, remember that JSON uses commas to separate properties, so add a comma after the previous property before inserting a new one. Keep your quotes straight and make sure every opening brace has a matching closing brace. VS Code will show red squiggles if something is off. Within workbench.colorcustomizations, you'll set a specific color key for the integrated terminal's background. The key you want is terminal.background, and its value is a color in hexadecimal format, like number 12 for a deep black. Hex codes are 6 characters after the hash, using numbers and letters A through F. You can choose any color you like, whether that's a soft gray like number 1 to match darker themes, or a lighter shade if you prefer more contrast. As you type, keep everything inside quotes and separate keys with commas as needed to keep the JSON valid. Once you've added terminal.background with your chosen hex color, save the file. Press Ctrl plus S on Windows or Linux, or Command plus S on macOS. The change takes effect immediately, and you should see your terminal's background update right away. If nothing changes, double-check for a missing comma or quote in the JSON. VS Code's error hints usually point you to the exact spot to fix. That's it. You've customized just the terminal background without affecting the editor or the rest of the theme. If the text in your terminal becomes hard to read, pick a color with better contrast by swapping in a different hex code. With this quick edit, you can fine-tune your terminal to match your style and improve readability in seconds.